Jane, where is Adanna?
My queen, we don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? You don't know what? Eh? You left here with my daughter. You came back without her, only to tell me that you don't know her whereabouts. You must be joking. See, I demand an answer right now. Where is my daughter?
My queen, we are on our way to Umagu when the princess asked me to stop, that she wanted to ease herself. I suggested we drive back to the palace, but instead she insisted that she cannot wait. Then she went into the bush to ease herself in the bush.
Look at this foolish bamboo. Are you trying to tell me that my own daughter, the princess of Erubere Kingdom, went into the bush to ease herself?
Yes.
It's in Adeze. Waro fiancé. Nadeze one waro fiancé.
My queen, that's the truth. Yes, we waited for her, and then we decided to go into the bush and search for her when we didn't see her. My queen, we searched everywhere. That's the truth, my queen, but...
My goodness! My goodness!
What is happening? I thought both of you went out with my daughter. What is she?
Your Highness, I don't understand these idiots. They came back here without Adanna.
Huh? Where's Adanna? Where is my daughter Adanna, the princess of this kingdom? Where is she?
Your Highness, we lost her.
You lost her? Speak up! What do you mean you lost her?
Your Highness, she told us she was pressed, that we should stop for her to ease herself. Then we stopped and she went into the bush. We waited for her, we did not see her, that's the truth. And then we went into the bush to search for her. We searched everywhere.
Hey!
Yes, and we did not find her.
My own daughter, the princess of this kingdom.
What nonsense are you blabbing?
Now, both of you, get out of this compound. Don't ever come in here without my daughter. You hear me? Get out!
Get out! Yellow pussycat!
My own daughter!
Nonsense!
The princess of this land!
Is everything all right?
Everything is not right. Everything is not all right. You see that girl, Adana? That girl is mannerless. She has no manners, and I'm beginning to hate her for that.
I thought you said you have a date with Adana today.
Yes, we had a date.
So what happened?
We agreed to meet somewhere. Mother, I have been waiting there for hours. I waited for this girl for hours, and she didn't show up. She didn't call. I started calling her. She wasn't picking my call. I called again, she started rejecting my call. I am sick and tired of that childish behavior that she has.
Excuse me, let me understand something here. You said Adana rejected your call?
Mama, she rejected it. She rejected my call. She doesn't know who I am. Dikeh. Kept me waiting for hours.
Why would Adana do a thing like that? Why?
Never let
Princess, what are you trying to do?
We're leaving this community, that's what I'm doing.
To where? Look, we can't run away from your father.
Well, we are. We're running from him, and the sooner we leave, the better. Let's go. Hurry.
The guards are back from the search.
So where's my daughter?
They did not come back with her.
Tell them I don't want to set my eyes on them if they don't come to this compound with my daughter.
Father, they said they searched everywhere, but...
Look, tell them they should search every nook and cranny of this kingdom. They must bring my daughter. I want her back before nightfall. Go tell them.
Yes, Father. Yes, Father.
What kind of problem is this? And where could Adana have gone to? Where?
Mother, I think we're missing something here. Adana left this palace to Umuagu to see Prince Ikenga. Maybe we should just put a call across to Prince Ikenga and find out if she's there.
Deliver your father's message first. Later we will call Umuagu. But I doubt if she's there. I doubt.
Okay, Mother.
Dad? Mom? Yes, Nikki, please. Excuse me. Come. Have a seat. Yes, I got a call from the Ruberi Kingdom that the princess is missing.
What? How?
They said she went out with her maiden and suddenly she disappeared.
Just like that?
Just like that.
That's how we see it.
Mom?
What is the matter? It's the princess. Princess?
The princess is missing.
Bad news. Ikenga's ex-girlfriend must have a hand in this.
Huh?
You think so?
Don't know.
Ikenga?
Huh?
Our people will be everywhere now searching for us. He must have known by now that I eloped with her. No one in this yard will ever believe that she's a princess.
What is the meaning of this? Up till now, my daughter's whereabouts is not yet known. She's not at Omago. So, where could she be? Where? Ugonna,
Mother.
did you call her again?
Yes, I did. And her number is still switched off.
My goodness.
Mother, I'm suspecting something.
What could that be?
They say when you follow the river, you will find the sea. I think we'll have our prime suspect in that Onowu's son.
I don't understand you. Are you telling me that Ojukwu kidnapped my daughter?
Exactly what I mean, Mother. I know he's not happy. Ever since Adana reconciled with Prince Ikenga, it shows on his face.
Have you spoken to your father about this?
No, Mother. But I will tell him in the morning. He doesn't want to be disturbed right now. And Father, that has been my thought since night. And I'm convinced it's not far from the truth. Onogu's son knows something about Adanna's disappearance.
Your Highness, I think he's right. And the police should be notified immediately before he runs away.
If really Onogu's son has a hand in this, I will deal decisively the way he never expected it.
Father, please, should I proceed immediately to the police station?
Yes, go immediately and arrest him.
Igwe.
Oh no.
May you live long, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my lord.
No, welcome.
It is my queen.
You're welcome.
Your Highness, I'm troubled. I've not seen my son Ojukwu since yesterday. That's why I came. Maybe he's around.
Your son left your house yesterday, and up till now, he's not yet back.
Yes, Your Highness. He didn't even tell me where he was going.
What time did he leave your house?
I can't exactly remember, but it was yesterday afternoon. It was in the afternoon.
My daughter also left this house yesterday, and as I'm speaking with you now, she's not yet back. I have a feeling that your son took my daughter away. I want to advise you to use every means available to you to tell your son to bring my daughter back. And he has only today to bring her back, otherwise he will face my wrath.
Oh no.
Lola.
I will advise you to do as my husband said. If your son thinks he will marry my daughter by kidnapping, then he has to think twice.
I am going straight to her place. I'm going to arrest her. Uloma, you want to tell me? You want to tell me? If I find out that you have a hand in the disappearance of Adanna, I will so deal with you. You don't know who you're talking with. If you deny it, if you deny knowing anything about her disappearance, then you know me. You know me, Genga. You've not seen anything yet. I'll get you arrested, lock you up. Just try it tonight. Genga, you're trying to damn me. Want to damn me, Genga?
Love is okay.
Would that be enough for you?
Come on, yes, I should be asking you that.
Nah, I'm good.
Okay.
I was thinking of something last night.
What were you thinking?
You know, we cannot continue to be idle like this. It's about time we delved into something productive with the little money we have. In order not to get stranded, of course. What do you think?
So, what do you suggest we do?
Nothing for now, that's why I asked you.
Princess, the money we have at hand, I believe it's way too small. I mean, it's very small. We can't start up any business with that amount of money. Okay, I'm thinking this is what we do. Okay, I observe that this keke business is thriving very, very well here. All right, so I was thinking maybe tomorrow. I'll just go around, just walk around, ask people, Just to see if I can see anyone that wants to give her this keke on hire purchase.
Right. Right. Sounds good to me. Okay. And while we wait for you to find out someone, I equally noticed that, you know, it's corn season. So I'm thinking maybe I can go into corn roasting business.
Is it?
Corn roasting. I can roast corn and sell by the roadside. It's just temporary.
No, that's you want to roast corn and sell.
And pear, yeah.
And then for God's sake, you are a princess. Look, I will never allow you go into such dirty business. Never.
Who knows I am a princess over here? Listen, who will die of starvation if you begin to consider all of those things.
Look, my love, I'm not saying that we're going to remain idle, okay? It's just that it's crazy. It's mad. Allowing you stay by the roadside, roast corn, pear, at your level of education and status. No.
It will only be temporary, okay? And I don't mind. We're here for peace of mind and happiness, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So we have that now. So let me go into the business, and I promise I'll quit when we get something better.
Promise.
I promise. I promise.
I have a feeling that your son took my daughter away. I want to advise you to use every means available to you to tell your son to bring my daughter back. And he has only today to bring her back, otherwise he will face my wrath.
Oh no. I will advise you to do as my husband said. If your son thinks he will marry my daughter by kidnapping, then he has to think twice.
Hi. Is this happening to me or am I dreaming? Why must my son kidnap the princess? No. It's not true. There must be a mix-up somewhere. What if someone has kidnapped both of them? I mean my son and the princess. I don't remember how.
She packed out 3 days ago.
A neighbor of hers told me that she moved 3 days ago.
That means she ran away before she carried out her plans.
Oh, she's not going to go away.
Hello, everyone.
Ikenga, have you checked on Oloma?
Oh, yes, I did. I went to her place and she has moved out of that place.
Wow. She's suspect number 1.
The problem there is nobody knows her whereabouts.
I know someone who can tell us where to find her.
Eh?
Her bosom friend.
Good people of this kingdom, I kept 500,000 naira in my bedroom and I cannot find it. Who must have made away with that money?
500,000 naira.
Yes, 500,000 naira.
Oh, Father.
Father, who could do a thing like that in this house?
Whoever has done that has to return that money with immediate effect. I am not going to say anything about it again.
$500,000 naira. That's a big money.
Oh no. I came to find out why my daughter is yet to be back after 5 good days of her disappearance.
Your Highness, with due respect, this question is just like someone asking me what killed my great-grandfather. I've neither seen my son nor heard from him.
Oh no. You know we've been very good friends right from our childhood. Don't do anything that will strain that relationship. Please.
Your Highness, I share the same view with you. You see, my hands are tied in this matter. I don't really know what to do or say.
Your hands are tied. Let me give you the last opportunity. If you still value that relationship.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds.
Good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon.
Guys, can you come on board when I make him? Eh? Can you come on board when I make him? Message. Oh, go when I make him. You can be at her. Haven't you greeted her today? You can good morning. You can good afternoon. You can good evening. Can you good night? Is she the only woman in this compound? Or somewhere on a compound?
Ojuku. Kogo Sebelukwa.
What is the problem? Leave my wife alone. Stop greeting my wife, Eze. Ha! Stop greeting my wife. You see, you men. I am afraid of you men in this city. That is how you go about deceiving women with your charms in your mouth.
Charms?
Stay away from my wife. Yes. My lord, that is what they do. They put charms in their mouth and start deceiving women. Sleeping with women. They... Stop greeting my wife, Eze.
My friend, go and sit down. What type of nonsense is that?
Eze, leave my wife alone. I'm not going to warn you again. I am not going to warn you again.
My friend, get out of here.
Yes, my lord, that's what they do. That's how they deceive. Go about it. You don't accept their greetings again. Please. Evil people.
Please join me.
I hope you're okay, eh?
I'm fine. But charms, really?
Yes.
You're not kidding?
My love, I am serious. They put charms in their mouth and start sleeping with all these women in this city.
No.
These evil men. I'll go with the photo.
Here you go.
My love, are you sure it will be okay for you?
Yes.
Are you sure it will be enough?
Yes. Take it.
Ola, I don't think this is where she stays.
I think there's a mistake somewhere. But don't worry, I'll call her to get the correct information.
Because the man we asked is not sounding like he even knows her.
Don't worry, I know how to get the information from her. So don't worry, I'll do that. Let's go.
Ola, I'm surprised the way you're taking this matter. I mean, the way you're taking it, I am really surprised.
Why are you sounding like this? Okay, I can withdraw if you don't want my assistance.
No, that is not what I meant. Ola, that's not what I'm trying to say. See, what I'm trying to say is this. You know, this is the first time I'm seeing you this concerned about Adana's matter.
I'm just trying to help you. Okay, if you don't want my assistance, I'll just go.
Ola, calm down. Calm down.
Do not judge.
I know you. I'm not judging you. I know you do anything for your brother.
Okay.
Take.
My dear, I made a call to Igwe around.
Has the princess been found?
Found? Not at all. He said there is a young man from his kingdom who is suspected to have hand in the disappearance of the princess. I don't know. He didn't tell me who the man is. And he never said what made him a suspect. He didn't.
It means there must be a reason for that. Don't you think so?
I don't know why that girl should be kidnapped. Has she money? Huh?
It beats my imagination too.
I don't know what this world is turning into. I don't know.
How did it go? Did you find her?
No. Wrong address.
Wrong address?
Wrong address.
Yes, I'm getting tired of this whole thing.
Honestly.
We must not be tired. I made a call to Igwe Arono this morning.
What did he say? Did they find the princess?
Not at all. According to him, there is a young man in his kingdom that is suspected to have hand in the disappearance of the princess.
What is going on in this palace? What exactly is going on in this palace?
I don't understand.
I don't understand it myself. How can the princess of this land disappear into the thin air just like that?
But haven't you heard how it's being rumored that Ojukwu knows her whereabouts?
Shh! It's not true.
Talk. Why not ask Jane? It is being rumored that Ojukwu abducted the princess.
So you guys are gossiping here, eh? Well, let me tell you.
And who told you that my own Ojukwu adopted the princess? Who told you?
I heard the prince, Ugonna, talking to someone on the phone about it.
Well, for your information, my Ojukwu cannot and will never adopt Adanna. Do you hear me? Yes. You know why? Because he doesn't love her. It's even the princess that is forcing herself on him. He loves me. So get that.
Jane, why not stop deceiving yourself and tell Gloria that you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu? Are you not better than Princess Adana with all her level of education?
What is your problem? Well, I know that you're only jealous about me. But I don't care. Do you hear me?
Jane, where exactly is Ojukwu?
And why are you asking? I will not tell you. Yes!
So you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu? Do you know what the problem is? You're always pretending to be what you are not. Why not tell Gloria of Ojukwu's whereabouts?
And please, who says I don't know his whereabouts? Who said so?
Oh, so you know. Well, I'm going to walk straight to the king and tell him that you know the whereabouts of Ojukwu. Yes.
Please, please, please. I did not say anything. Do you hear me? Don't go and mention my name.
I'm very sad.
But wait, Jane. Do you actually know where Ojukwu is? Do you? Even if I know, I will not tell you. Why are you asking me? Why?
Of course she knows. You're a lover now.
I don't have time for
Love
talk. You can stay and gossip. That's what you do, idiot.
Auntie know all.
Ada, good evening. Ada, it's me, Sunday. I'm greeting you. Good evening. What nonsense. Can't you respond to my greetings? Sunday.
If you like, greet her from now till tomorrow. She will not respond to you.
Why? Is there an ACC?
Okay, come on, let's say an ACC. That one call himself boyfriend, that be husband. That one. The man has spoiled her mind. He even told her that every one of us will have shame in our mind. He wants you to talk to her.
That's rubbish. That's nonsense. Is that why I'm greeting you and you refuse to answer my greetings? Eh? See, let me tell you, if you like, answer me. Oh. If you like, don't answer me. I will continue greeting you in this house. Let me tell you. Good evening, Ada. Good evening. Nonsense.
Wetin dey happen now?
Oga, na wetin?
Mama, wetin dey happen now?
Wetin happen?
No be wetin me and you dey talk now. I dey go far this time like this. Now you come dey do this kind thing. See this kind keke man o. Which kind keke man be this one now? Mama, e be like say dey give me my money o.
If you move small, you go.
Which kind nonsense be this one?
Abeg, get where I dey go. Give me my money, abeg, ma I dey go.
Ah.
This one be the only work I don do today o. Abeg.
Baba, it no be the matter of work. Now where they go, now ain't they important to me. Baba, I beg, no best, give me my money. I beg.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How much one should I put?
How much is one?
This one's about 150. This one's 7 something naira. Then pear is 15 naira each.
Okay, you can bring 2 corn and 5 pears.
From this side?
Yes. 2 fresh ones.
They are fresh. They are all fresh. I don't have change.
Don't worry, you can keep the balance.
Thank you.
By the way, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Love conquers all, hold on to it. True love. Ijifunanya. This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man proposed, God disposed. Destiny
You see, each time I come here, I always wonder why a beautiful woman like you be doing this kind of dirty business. You be doing something better than this.
Adana, who is this man? Who is this man? What is he always doing here each time I pass here?
I don't know. He always comes here to talk nonsense.
Who is this man?
That's my husband.
Oh, so it's true you are married?
Excuse me?
I am married, didn't I?
Young man, what are you doing here? What are you always doing here? What are you looking for here?
How can you agree to marry this a low-life man like this?
God punish you. God punish you there for asking that stupid question. My friend, leave this place.
Mr. Man, they didn't even know who you are talking with.
I don't care. I don't care to know who I'm talking to. My friend, leave this place.
I wonder why you agreed to marry this useless man who cannot even take a very good care of you.
God punish you there. God punish you there.
I take exceptions to that.
You want to take care of my wife for me, Abi?
Look at this useless man. See, in fact, you don't even have future. I wonder why a beautiful woman like this will even agree to marry in the first place.
Okay, please leave my shop. Leave my shop. Leave and never come back.
It's because of you I'm leaving this man. Foolish man. My friend, come on, get out of this place now. I'll lose on. I'll break your glass. Come on. Foolish man. Go punish you there. You want to come and snatch my wife?
True love is hard to find, but once you find it, it never goes. Even if trouble comes, in times of hardship, it's there to fight till it conquers. So hold on to it, never let go, never let go. True love.
Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Hey. Keep your greetings to yourself. Look at this man, though. So my keke has turned your own.
No.
My keke is now your own. Hey. You are a very wicked man.
No, Oga.
Give me my key.
Oga,
I am tired of your lousy attitude. Give me this.
Oga, please, now, please, please. It doesn't go to.
Don't touch me now.
Oga, look, I started rendering my account to you. I've started rendering my account to you.
I'm talking about. How many months have you rendered? 2 months. 2 in 6 months. I am tired. I cannot take this anymore now. Give me this key.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
What's the problem?
The problem is that this man, your husband, is a wayo man. Corny man. Eh? You hear me? Give me this key. Let me get out of this place.
Oga.
Give me this key. Let me get out of this place.
This is higher purchase business. This is higher purchase business.
Business man. Well, I am no longer interested. Not anymore. So can you give me the key now? No. I said business terminated.
Oga, please. Give my husband more time. He'll pay you.
I have given this man more than enough time. He has been driving this keke for 6 months. And he has only rendered 4... what am I even saying? Am I stupid? 2 months account. 2 months. 2 months. Give me this key.
Okay, take it.
Oh, you have muscle.
Okay, take it easy now.
You have muscle.
You balance me 2 months. Balance me 2 months. Okay, balance me 2 months. Balance me 2 months.
Okay.
Balance me 2 months. I will give you.
Okay. It's not my muscle. It's not. Okay. Give me 1.
Balance me 2 months. Okay, balance me 2 months. Balance me 2 months. You give me before I carry the ticket. Okay, you give me before I carry it. You give me before I carry it.
Your Highness, Olu is here to see you. Ask him to come upstairs. Okay, Highness.
Greeting, Your Highness.
Hello. Sit down.
Oh, thank you.
Hello. It's been almost 6 months since my daughter got missing. I was waiting for you to do something. No report. 6 good months.
Well, this situation is beyond my control. Up to this moment, I've not heard from my son Ojuku. I don't even know if he's still alive.
I am not talking about your son. I am talking about my daughter, the princess of this kingdom.
Your Highness, with due respect, nobody is certain about what happened to the princess. My son is being accused because he was found missing the same day the princess disappeared.
Oh no. Oh no.
Your Highness.
I did not invite you here to argue with you. I want to give you my final decision. And that decision is, henceforth, I have relieved you of your position as the Onowu in this kingdom.
You are more.
You are no more. You are no more the Onowu. I will communicate this and make it official during our next cabinet meeting. You are no more the Onowu of this Erubere kingdom.
You are talking to me.
Good day, my prince.
Ego,
Yes, my queen.
please leave us.
Okay, my queen.
Madam, I am going to Erubere Kingdom to know what the problem is.
What exactly are you going to Erubere Kingdom to do that Adana's parents cannot do?
I was told that I was suspect and they have failed to arrest him. So I want to go there and pick up from where they stopped.
Yes, the suspect in question is the son of Onowu of Erubere Kingdom.
You know whose son?
Yes. Your father said he spoke with Adana's father yesterday. And he told him that the said Onowu of Erubere Kingdom has been stripped of his duty because of his inability to provide his
No,
son.
it shouldn't just end there. They shouldn't just end it there. No, it's not possible. That man should provide his son. Even if they have to get information from him through duress, then let them do it. They have been handling that man with soft hands. He should tell us the whereabouts of his son. And not just handling him softly like that.
Everything will be handled soon. It's a gradual process. Your Highness.
Mother and child, did any of you enter my room in my absence?
Your Highness, but I was there with you when you were preparing for the cabinet meeting.
Dad, you know I've never gone into your room in your absence.
Yeah. Your Highness, what happened?
Someone made away with my 100,000 naira.
Again?
Yes, again.
We need to find who this person is.
Yes.
We need to devise another means to know who this person really is.
Know exactly who the person is. Yes.
Where is Olado?
I saw her driving out, though she didn't tell me where she was going to. But I saw her when she drove out.
Tell her to see me as soon as she comes back.
We need to find out who this person is.
I should be asking you, you know.
It's getting out of hand.
My friends, I brought some apples for you.
Really?
Yes. You will like them.
Thank you. Thank you. You can drop them there.
Okay. Okay, should I get a knife for you?
Yes. Have you washed them?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Then leave them.
Okay. Very smart. Indeed, I admire your seductive prowess.
I don't understand what you mean. What are you saying?
You know, I've been watching you lately, and I have observed that you're having hot pants for Prince Ugonna, simply because Ojuku is no longer around, right?
Wait. Is this why you follow me about? You don't have any job. You're now a monitoring spirit, right? You monitor me in this palace. Uju?
You are very smart. I was actually wondering who you are buying those apples for. Now I know.
Please, I don't have your time. Do you hear me?
Jane, you must be mistaken if you think I will let you have him.
Wait, what did you just say? Wait, you're interested too? Hey!
I'm here, Father.
Yes. Oledo, where have you been all day?
I visited my former classmates.
That's all right. I am looking for my 100,000 naira that I kept in my bedroom. Do you have access to it?
Excuse me, Father. Are you accusing me of stealing your money?
I have not said so, my dear daughter. I have not.
But that was exactly what you said. Oledo.
Ola, mind how you talk to our father.
Spare me that rubbish.
What?
I know this is all your plan. You are framing me up, right?
Very stupid.
You are an idiot.
I say you're stupid.
You are a stupid.
Hey! Will you stop this? You do what? Stop this.
Stop again, please.
Can you hear me?
Stop it again.
Stop.
Oledo, what has come over you?
Come in. Stop it.
What is wrong with both of you?
Ikenga, please. Please, just...
You.
Please.
Okay. Oledo.
Oledo.
You have the guts to open that your dirty mouth on your elder brother?
I'm sorry, Father. Ikenga is pissing me off in this house.
You're very...
You do what? I thought I would blow you.
Be very careful. Come on. Be careful.
How can you talk to your elder brother in such a manner?
What? Anyway, Oledo, if you are done ranting, will you now answer my question? Did you take my money or not?
I did not. Oledo, come back here. Hey. Please, Your Highness. Calm down, okay?
Ola, I just didn't like the way you spoke to Dad last night.
Spare me that trash and leave me alone.
Ola, I will not have you insult me or back at me this morning.
Ikenga do not have your strength this morning.
You do not have my strength. And I won't have you insult me this morning. Is that clear?
You only have strength when it comes to my matter. But another man eloped with your girlfriend, I couldn't do anything about it.
Ola, I will shock you. Ola, I will give you the shock of your life. Because I am not that weak.
I said you are weak. Yes, you are weak. I've discovered why Adana hates you so much. You are not man enough and you couldn't perform well in bed.
Just mind what you say to me. I will not have you insult me or talk to me the way you do. Okay? Watch your words before you speak. Ola, is that clear?
Leave me alone.
Is that clear?
Leave me alone.
Ola! Ola, come back here.
Who is it?
It's me, Jen.
Come in. So, what do you want?
You sent for me, my prince.
Did I?
Yes, you did. You said I should come and see you.
I'm sorry. I don't think I did that. Maybe you misunderstood me.
No.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Oh, my prince, no.
Wait. What do you want?
I want you. I would like
Oh,
you.
wait. That's it.
No, please.
Now leave.
Please, don't drive
I want
me
you to
away.
leave now.
No,
No.
please.
Wait!
Oh,
Leave
I
my
love
room.
You. I love you, please. Don't drive me away, please. I love you. Please.
Please go. Leave my room now. I said go!
You were spotted entering my son's bedroom today. True or false?
My queen, is true.
What did you go there to do?
My queen, he sent for me.
To do what? I'm asking you, why was he calling you?
To do something for him, my queen.
And what was that? Do not lie to me. Because if you do, you will not like my actions.
My queen, I'm not lying. He wanted me to wash his clothes for him.
Let this be the last time I will see you in my son's bedroom. I hope I made myself clear.
Yes, my queen.
Get out.
She thinks I did not see her.
But wait, why did you have to report her to the queen?
Why? Excuse me? Uju thinks she's smarter than everybody in this palace. And that's absolutely right.
No matter what, it hasn't gotten to that extent.
I don't care. Let her go and explain to the queen what she was busy doing in Prince Ugona's room.
Oh. So, you are the one.
Yes. What were you doing in Prince Ugona's bedroom? Or you think I did not see you?
So now you want to study me in a palace out here? You are the one prognosing me, right?
You can say whatever you want to say. I don't care. Just stay away from Prince Ugona.
So you actually went to his room? Eh? You sneaked in to his room?
Look at this one. Wait. Please get out of this place. Look at this one.
It's alright. Continue.
It will be alright, my baby.
Continue.
Please get us out for you, so idiot. Look at her. Hey! Anyway, it is me and Uju. Uju, it is me and you in this palace. You will see. Nonsense.
Your Highness. Nonsense.
What's happened? Huh?
My queen, I have now known the armed robber that has no gun in this house.
What do you mean?
This is the thief. I caught her red-handed, stealing my money from my drawer. This girl is something else in this house.
You mean Oledo was the one that has been stealing your money all this while?
Yes, it is very clear.
Oledo. So it's true that you are the one that has been stealing your father's money from his bedroom. Oledo, what have you been doing with this money?
My princess.
Oledo, what did you do with all the money you stole from your father?
She won't answer.
Oledo. Hey! Oledo, I'm shocked.
This life is a mystery, it's beyond comprehension. When man propose, God dispose. Destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. No one knows what tomorrow holds. Oh.
This temperature is very hot, eh?
Please, let's take him to the hospital.
But it's past 2 a.m. already. How do we get a means to the
We
hospital?
have to do something, oh. We have to find a means.
Nobody has a car in this yard. Nobody has a car in this yard.
Sunday has a bike. Please ask him to come and take us to the hospital, please. Please, hurry up.
Honey, are you going to sit comfortable in the bike with me,
I'll
baby?
manage. I'll
I'm
manage.
coming. Hey, come on. Hey, Sunday!
Please, hurry up. Hurry up. Sorry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Ojo, where are you now?
These ones here are fresh. So is this one.
How much is this one?
150.
What do you think naira? What of this one?
You know, Chuku.
Sunday. I don't have the money yet. I will make the money now and I'll give you.
But your husband said I should come here and collect the money.
Sunday, please now. Bring down your voice. Please, I beg.
If you don't want me to shout, just give me my money, let me go.
I will give you. I just haven't made it yet. It's not been long I came out here. Please.
What is all this? I have to enter this room because of this money. And you are giving me excuses. What is all this now?
I'll give you, I promise. When I come back tonight, I'll give you.
Tonight?
Yes.
Tonight, bro?
Yes, now.
At home?
What happened? Why? Talk to me. What happened? Why are you crying?
Our boss was robbed.
What?
On my way to the market.
Your boss was robbed?
They took everything. They took all the money and my phone.
God, why? Why? How could you allow this happen? How? All the money we ever worked for vanish into thin air just like that. God, why? Why?